Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna make homemade pizza rolls and I'm gonna use this pizza crust, which is very easy to use, some chopped pepperoni, some Italian seasoning, shredded parmesan cheese and garlic powder. This is a new spin for pizza night, which I think you're gonna enjoy it. It's really nice, it's really easy, and they're very tasty. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, so this is the pizza crust. I'm gonna go ahead and roll it a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle garlic powder. Then the Italian seasoning. Now I'm gonna put the parmesan cheese. Now I'm gonna put the chopped pepperoni. We're gonna go ahead and roll this. Okay. I'm gonna place it on a board. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and slice those and place them on a baking pan. So now I'm gonna sprinkle a little more of the parmesan on top. And now they're gonna go in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Okay, so the pizza rolls are done. I just took them out of the oven. They look amazing and they taste delicious. I'm gonna show you how I like to eat them. couple on a plate and with some marinara sauce. And then you take one, and then you just dip in the marinara sauce and eat. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. It's just delicious, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.